Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset or repair the Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or Windows computer. So if you find that the Microsoft or Windows Store is not working, loading, or properly downloading and installing apps, in today's tutorial, I'm going to have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and select the settings gear button over on the left side. And then you want to select the system tile. On the left side now, underneath system, scroll down and select where it says system components. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select the Microsoft Store and select where it says advanced options immediately under that. Scrolling down again, there should be a reset option. If this system component isn't working right, we can try to repair. The system components data won't be affected. Select repair and give that a moment. And if you're still having an issue, you can come back in here after relaunching the app. So if you're still having a problem, then you can select the reset option now. So if this system component still isn't working right, reset it. The system components data will be deleted. Select reset. So this will permanently delete the apps or the system components data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. Give that a moment there, and then you can attempt to relaunch the Microsoft Store once this is done, and then hopefully your issues have been resolved. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.